All right, so on the lab, what you'll end up doing is, this is for my online kids. So if you want to watch, you can watch. You'll construct each one of them. So like this is the first one. It said to construct propane, and then you pull off one of the hydrogens and you replace it with a hydroxyl group. So then you have it set up like this. You can draw it like this if you want, or if it makes more sense, you could draw it like this and have your OH. You'll also see it drawn like that, either one, and then designate that it's off of the first carbon. Turn around like that. It's off the first one, so it's 1-propanol. Okay. After we take a picture, if you want to, just insert it right here in this area, or you could just submit 5 questions. All right. So then when we make the aldehyde, we're going to make butane first. So let's go back here to this, and don't break apart your model, because you'll end up building off of it several times. You're just going to be like adding to and taking away some of the hydrogens. That's what you'll do. So then this is my butane. Okay. Let's add the hydrogens on the end here. All right. Now, you'll notice that you've got the one hydrogen here. Okay. And it says that we are supposed to replace 2 of the hydrogens on the end with a double bonded oxygen. Okay. So we are going to take away, I think the easiest thing to do is just kind of turn this like that and just pull off these 2. Leave one of them. You got to use, I have to use springs here. You guys are using double toothpicks for your marshmallows or whatever you got at home. And so then you've got this sort of structure. Okay. Let me turn the light on so maybe you can see a little bit better. Come on. There we go. So this is our carbonyl group. This is our double bonded O. And then we have this hydrogen here. So we have the double bonded oxygen with a hydrogen on the end, and that's what makes this a aldehyde. So then when we draw it out, we've got our butane, and then all we need to do is just put a double bond with an oxygen like that. And so then to name it, it's just butane, and then we end it with Al, so it's butanal. Okay. All right, so that should help you out. That's the first 2. Just email me if you have any questions.